Well, hey guys, welcome back, and you find me out and again on a beautiful Monday bank holidays day. This vlog is off the bat from my test ride on the BMW S1000XR. If you missed that video, then check that out at the top there. Riding a similar route today. Now, I've only just started putting the cameras on because this morning I had a bit of a bike issue. It wouldn't start at the petrol station, and I had an MTC failure warning come up and the bike wouldn't start, so left it for a bit and I managed to get it going. It sounded like the battery was low, but all of a sudden it sprung into life. But then I had an engine warning light come on and didn't know if I should carry on or not, so I carried on for a few minutes, pulled over and left the bike off for 10 minutes and started it again, and all the lights have gone back off, so hopefully we don't bloody break down. I think she's pissed because I rode a BMW 2 days ago. It's a sign, a clear sign. She was threaders and annoyed with me. So here you go, have a handful of blooming engine management warning light. Thanks very much. Okay, so I'm heading towards Calitao and on the River Weser. I've just been down to the Weser and thrown the drone up, but again I had bloody issues with the drone. Gimbal motor overload, so I don't know if the footage came out or not. I shall fire it up at some point in this video. Yes, so it seems you all enjoyed the S1000XR review. I enjoyed riding the bike and producing that video for you. I'm going to try and get some more rider reviews done on bikes. It's just a bit more difficult for me to do here in Germany because dealerships here haven't really sort of cottoned on to the social media side of things, so it's a bit more difficult to do. I don't go into dealerships and say I want to make a video on one of your bikes, will you lend me it for a bit. I have to sort of pretend to show an interest in the bike and to you know, potentially buy it. It's a bit of a pain in the arse. And some places don't even let you test ride the bikes, or even if you do, you can only take them out for like 15 minutes or something. That is just a complete waste of time. Now, the dealership where I took the S1000 out, I know that dealership. It's where I bought my bike, and I ride with those guys throughout the year. They organise some tours. I'll stick a playlist up to my tours that I do with them in the top, so if you want to check that out. So they know that I do that. But for other dealerships, it's a nightmare, and it's although I can blag it, I can do it, I can get it done, it's just a pain in the arse. You know, you've got to go to a dealership, express an interest in that particular bike. Can I get on a test ride? Blah blah blah. Can I take it out for longer than bloody 15 minutes? And if you get onto that, you can produce a video. When you take the bike back, you've obviously got to then chat with the bloody sales guy, because he's one of them. He's going to try and want to sell you the bike afterwards. So you got to. Oh, it's a bit of a pain in the arse, but I will try and get some more done. Absolutely beautiful day today. It's not too warm. Well, 19 degrees, absolutely perfect. Sunshine, not a cloud in the sky. Great for photography, great for dronage, and great for being out on two wheels. Don't want to scare your pony, darling. stonking little road, that. Look at those views, man. Absolutely fantastic. I'm kind of not too upset that I didn't get to do my UK tour this year, because I get to ride in Germany, and Germany is absolutely stunning for riding motorbikes. Yeah, so I've got all my cameras and drones and stuff with me, so I'm just going to spend the day buggering about and get some footage made, footage filmed, pictures taken, cake eaten. What else do you need? Oh, I've lost my rear camera. Nearly home now, so I can't be asked to change the battery. Well guys, that is pretty much it for today. I am nearly home, so I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.